If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side, keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day it'll rain, 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 rain.
I build myself up and fly around in circles, waiting as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle. Finally, could this be it? Oh, should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my fate? Should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Yeah. Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give
I am a rock
up?
representer. Summer the winter. Dead or alive. 24/7, 365. One CD or 360 pies. What's up to E and Kurt? Welcome home to Taj. The no amount of money ruin this thing of ours. We run streets like drunks run street lights. We colliding with life as we speak. We knee deep in coke, we keep deep in ice. We flood streets with dope, we keep weed to smoke. We all fish, better teach your folk. Give him money to eat, the next week he's broke. Just when you sleep, he's reaching for your throat.
I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand.